Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Jumi's Kitchen. I'm sure you've missed me. I also missed you all. So today we'll be making something exciting. Fruit parfait. I'm sure that at the end of this video you'll be inspired to make yours. So join me as I make my yummy fruit parfait. The major ingredient needed for this is your granola and of course your Greek yogurt. Every other thing I'll be using are just fruits of my choice, so you can decide to use fruits of your choice. You can decide to use watermelon, anything, any fruit of your choice. So I prefer grape, some apple, banana and pineapple, so I'll be using them as toppings. This Greek yogurt is made here in Nigeria. It is so good, it tastes so nice, and it comes in different flavor. You can get it at any store. The banana, I already cut it. I'm using just 2 bananas, so it's been cut into the shape I want. The apple has been diced. So the good thing about making this is that you don't have to be an expert. All it requires is your creativity, because you're basically just assembling all of these ingredients. You're setting it up in a beautiful way. And these ingredients are very easy to get. Well, depending on your location, you should be able to get this. I got this at a store close to my house, so you can just get this anywhere. The first thing I'm adding is my granola. I'm using that as layer. Then I'm adding some yogurt. Make sure it is pretty. So for this video, I'm just using the cup I have here in my house. You can decide to use any beautiful cup that you have, and if you're making it for a large gathering, just make sure that all your cups are set. You don't want to start running around getting this and that. Set every cups, then you fill it in one after the other. But because this is for a small family, this is just 2 cups, so I would take my time, decorate it. Yes, I'm adding the pineapple, I've added the apple, some grapes, next I'm adding some granola, then some yogurt. Don't worry, one of my videos I will show you how to make homemade granola, so you don't have to get from your store. Very soon I'll be sharing that video with you. Add some apples. Yeah, at this point you just have to just pick up the fruits and decorate it as you want. So these are just the topping of my choice, like I told you earlier, so feel free to use toppings of your choice. My grape, I love grape so much. Who doesn't like grape anyway? So I'll be adding a lot of it to this granola, to this parfait. Then some more granola. Just to make it look pretty. More grapes. Banana. And there you go. Ready. It's ready. Is really ready. For more flavor, just put this in your fridge for some minutes. Don't allow it to freeze, just leave it there to cool, and you'll sure enjoy it. Now I have my 2 cups ready, and I'm ready to enjoy this with my family. I hope you'll be making something like this for your family. Let me know in the comment section. Any other question you have, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, I love you, bye.